Hello and welcome. I'm Professor Evan Evans, and I'll be your instructor for this course this semester. Now let's take some time to get to know the course. Okay, for Calculus 2, MA 211 for the summer of 2012, here are some of the things that can be useful for you. Again, my name is Professor Evan Evans. I can be reached at that phone number or those two email addresses. Email is probably the quickest way to get a hold of me and the quickest way that I can respond to your questions. Things that the course requires: the Wiley Plus access code, access to the internet, FCC Blackboard account, and Gmail account. Upon entering your Blackboard site, you'll see our course here with the tabs on the left here: syllabus, announcements, general information, faculty, assignments, gradebooks, email, online resources, and Wiley Plus. First, let's get to the most important. The syllabus is right here, where you can click on your syllabus and they'll have an outline for the summer syllabus. Please go ahead and read that, and those are the objectives we're going to read, as well as your grading scales, as well as what we're covering each day of class and what module they're in. You notice that they're divided into modules: Module 7, Module 8, Module 9, and 10. Calc 2 starts at Module 7, and we'll get more into that once we get into the fact we'll get into right now. If you click on our Assignments tab, you'll see here's the Calc 2 sequence. Down below is also the Calc 1 for if you need any review for Calc 1. There are modules for Calc 1. So we're going to start with Mod 7 in Calc 2, which is integration. You click on the mod, you can see here are the expectations that you're going to have for that week. Along with it, not only there's additional worksheets, so you can click on a worksheet and it's in a PDF file. You can work on that. Some calculus applets will help you facilitate learning some of the concepts that we're going to be covering, and they have in terms of limits, as well as they have Calc 1 applications as well. And then we have these podcasts. For instance, here we have basic antidifferentiation. So in Mod 7, that might be. Now it takes you to an external site, which is Hippocampus, and what it does is it basically helps go through, explain the topic that we're going to be covering. This is ADA compliant, and again, it is an outside free resource for us to use.
Because antidifferentiation, or indefinite.
So that's an example of that. When we go through, so the expectations, let's go back to expectations. Your expectations are that you're going to read in your Wiley Plus. Remember, the only thing we're requiring is a Wiley Plus, which is an e-book. You got to read that section, which is listed in the course syllabus. Watch any module podcast that can help supplement and help you facilitate your learning. Complete any homework assignments, which we'll cover in class as well. Ask questions. We can ask questions either in class, or you can do it on our Google Plus, which is through a Hangout session, which we'll talk about in class as well. Vector sessions are nothing more than virtual engagement, using computer technology online and in real time, which is essentially a virtual office hours that will be made available to each student. And then obviously you can complete additional resource or workshops or worksheets for additional practice. We'll be talking more about it in class and walking you through, but this is the guts of our course. It is our expectations that you'll stay on pace and stay on the assignments. Look forward to seeing your class, and let me know if there's anything else that we can do to facilitate your learning of this great concept of Calc 2. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.